Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time tuning in. My name is Monifa and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to exfoliate. Everything you need to know about exfoliation and why exfoliation is so important. Okay? Skincare 101. Let's just get into it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. And without further ado, let's just get into it. So first thing first, what is exfoliation? So exfoliation is the process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. So why are dead skin cells there in the first place? Well, your face, your skin every month sheds and creates new skin. So exfoliating is the process where it helps get rid of, or helps aid in the process of getting rid of the dead skin cells. Now, why is exfoliation important? So it's important to exfoliate your skin because regular exfoliants, or regularly exfoliating your skin, can improve the texture of your skin. It also get rid of blemishes, scarring, dark spots, stretch marks, you name it. In order to get rid of any skin issues that you may have, it's very important to exfoliate, because products that you put on your skin to improve certain skin issues, it will penetrate the skin better once the skin is clean. So if you exfoliate your skin regularly, that means the dead skin cell is off your skin, meaning any skincare treatment, any skincare product that you put on your skin in order to improve it will work even better because the surface is clean. Now, how to exfoliate. Now, before I get into how to exfoliate, we're gonna talk about 3 different ways to exfoliate. There is physical exfoliating, chemical exfoliating, and then mechanical exfoliating. I think I explained this in one of my videos, but I'm not sure. I will put it in the eye so you guys can look up that video, watch that video, and get more information about that. But I'm gonna give a brief description of what that is. So physical exfoliation is any method that manually removes the dead skin cells. So it includes simple tools like washcloths, rags, facial brush, your fingers, scrub, brushes, sponge, anything that you're manually scrubbing into your face is physical exfoliation. So using a tool like this will be considered physical exfoliation. Hands, scrubs, brushes, sponges, rags, physical exfoliation. Chemical exfoliation are acids used to remove buildup dead skin cells to give you that youthful, healthy, radiant look. Now this is a chemical exfoliant. Can y'all see that? Focus on camera. Come on. I want y'all to see the exfoliant word. Go on, no. Okay, camera not gonna do it. But it's a chemical exfoliant from Paula's Choice. It unclogs, shrinks, enlarges pores, and even the skin tone. And you just literally dab it onto your skin and you leave this on your skin. A mechanical exfoliation is anything that uses a machine, like a microdermabrasion. It's basically a machine that get rid of the dead skin cells. Any machine that gets rid of dead skin cells, enlarged pores, or anything on your skin is called a mechanical exfoliation. Basically a machine that helps with the exfoliation of your skin. So now, how to exfoliate your skin. So whether you choose physical, chemical, or mechanical, the way that you exfoliate your skin is basically you want to rub in circular motions for at least 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds on your skin to make sure that you are removing and getting each area of your face where the dead skin cells are, and in order to remove that, and then you want to wash off with lukewarm water. So that's the end of the video. I hope this video was very informative. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.